Hello everyone, as you can see I've got iOS running on my Android phone once again. As you can see I've also got the lock screen and of course this isn't iOS, this is MIUI, MIUI they call it, and I'm having the iPhone 4.0 theme which has all these icon packages. So basically this is the entire ROM. As you can see, there's no app drawer. You can however put widgets like this, and because it's Android, you can customize everything you want. You don't have to use this layout. You can install another launcher as well, so if you like you can use Launcher Pro, but what's the point of it if you wanted to use this ROM? Taking a look into settings, this whole thing is a part of the theme that I will link in the description so that you get the whole package for the iPhone look. The settings is separated into three parts. The first part is personal, the second part is system, and the last part is regarding programs or apps. In the notification bar you have your notifications and your toggles like so. You can change this to the traditional CM7 type where you have it at the bottom of the status bar down here. Let's take a look at the theme engine of this ROM. Under themes, you get to install themes that you have downloaded, or you can go online and look at the themes that people have posted. Other than one whole set full of themes, you can customize the individual elements of the theme itself, like for example the lock screen, the home, the icons. Now I've also installed the Apple font, which makes it look a little bit more like the iOS look that I'm looking for. And other than that, the MIUI theme has also changed the way to add widgets. As you can see, it resembles the Galaxy S2's TouchWiz 4.0 interface, where one panel is you swipe across to get to different panels or different home screens, and the bottom here you can scroll to look at the different widgets. If let's say you want to add this widget, you drag it up and it highlights the region that it's going to occupy. Other than that, this editing mode is actually multi-touch supported, as I will demonstrate now. Let's say you want to move this icon to another home screen, you can do so like that without just going to the side and waiting for it to swipe around. Sometimes that's not very accurate, so you can control the moving of items like that. there are quite a few visual effects that they've added. Like one I'll show you now is that when you want to add something to a folder, the folder will actually open up slightly like that. I'm not sure if you can see it. See the folder opening? So now of course we need to look at the folder of MIUI. After including this, you get to sort the apps either by name, usage, or by default. You can change the name as well, like so. Now of course, now one shortcoming of the MIUI system is that app shortcuts are not active, which means Wednesday 23rd is not exactly the date today. As I will show you, it's actually September 17th, so this doesn't change with time as compared to the iOS icons, or more specifically the iOS calendar icon, where the date actually shows up on the icon. Now what I like about this layout of MIUI is that there are no redundant icons. Like let's say my phone icon is here, I won't be able to find another phone icon inside here because you need to literally drag one of them into here. So there's no repeated icons, which is a good thing for this kind of app layout. This is the leap function, where you get to move screens around and also to decide which is the home page. The theme here cannot be found on the theme manager, so I would suggest you click on the link and see if you like it. Thanks for watching. One thing I don't like about this ROM is that it works well after overclocking, like what I've did. Without overclocking, this is just quite jittery, this whole layout. And I also don't like the boxed up icons that you see. Don't really fancy those, but it's because they are trying to emulate the whole boxy, squarey iOS icons. Might be about personal preference. Other than the overclocking issue, it's a pretty good ROM actually, which runs well, although sometimes the home screen here, it takes a while to redraw after doing some stuff with it. Remember to check the video description for links to this beautiful iPhone theme. Alright, I think that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching.